So dear students, today we will discuss about exercise 4.3 completing the square method. Example 7 is find the roots by completing square method. It has been solved in the book, but in the one technique it will be easy to you. So let's see. What is completing? Completing square means it must be form of like this: a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Otherwise, a minus b square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. These things should be like this. If it is given, we can write like this. It's like this to form banana parallel. Then what you do? So first of all, this should be omitted. This should be removed. That means how to remove this? Dividing. That means coefficient must be x square coefficient must be 1 here. So dividing throughout by 2. If here 3 divide by 3, if this 2 divide by 2, 2x square by 2 minus 5x by 2 plus 3 by 2 is equal to 0 by 2. Each and every term divided by 2. This cancel, getting x square minus 5x by 2 plus 3 by 2, 0 by 2 equals to 0. Or x square minus 5x by 2 equal to minus 3 by 2. Now see here, this should be, it is coming like this. A square is here, it is minus, that means minus 2ab is here. We will have to find b square. How to get b square? So one small technique here, adding in the bracket minus 1 by 2 into coefficient of x whole square to both sides. To get this square, we should do like this, adding minus 1 by 2 coefficient of x, x coefficient हो, x का coefficient है minus 5 by 2. Then how to get minus 1 by 2 into coefficient of x is also is minus 5 by 2 whole square, getting minus into minus plus 5 1 5 2 2 4. This square equal to this 5 by 4 square. Okay, no need to square also this. This should be added to both the sides. Then what we get here? Therefore, equation 1 is x square minus 5x by 2 equal to minus 3 by 2, and adding both sides this x square minus 5x by 2 plus 5 by 4 square equal to this, as it is minus 3 by 2, also 5 by 4 square. To get this number, we should do this process: minus 1 by 2 into coefficient of x whole square. So getting 5 by 4 square, adding both the sides. Then now see here, it is a square, it is minus 2ab, it is plus b square. So what is a? It is 2ab, directly you can get, and b is 5 by 4. So we write here x minus a square minus 2ab plus b square, you know this thing, a minus b whole square x minus, it is x, b is 5 by 4. 5 by 4 square equal to this minus 3 by 2 plus 5 square 25, 4 square 16. Then x minus 5 by 4 square, LCM of 16 to 16. This minus 3 into 2 into 8. 2 8 is 16 plus 25. 16 1 is 16. Then x minus 5 by 4 whole square equal to this minus 8 is 24 plus 25 by 16. Then x minus 5 by 4 square is equal to 25 24 1 by 16. But it is plus. And some questions it may be negative this. If it is getting negative, we write roots doesn't exist because we cannot find out of the square root of negative numbers. Then x minus 5 by 4, right here roots exist, that means we can find the numbers. In the case of negative, roots doesn't exist. 5 by 4 is equal to plus minus any square root gives positive and also negative. So now first taking positive sign, because plus and minus, what we get, x minus 5 by 4 is equal to, and we can write here plus minus root of 1 is 1, 16 root 4. So what, x minus 5 4 equal to, taking positive 1 by 4. So x is equal to this 1 by 4 as it is, minus goes that plus 5 by 4. LCM is 4, 5 plus 1 6. That means 2 3 6 2 2 4, 3 by 2. So x is equal to 3 by 2, 1 root we found here, 1 root. And second, to get second root we take positive. Now write taking negative sign, we get, what is negative? X minus 5 by 4 is equal to plus, already taken as, take negative, minus 1 by 4, that's all. X minus, x equal to minus 1 by 4 as it is. This minus 5 by 4 transpose here becomes plus 5 by 4. LCM 4, this minus 1 plus 5. So x is coming 5 minus 1, 4 by 4, 4 into 1, that means 1. So x is getting 1. So we get two roots, 3 by 2 or 1, it is answer. So it was the completing square method, and we will do some questions from the exercise.